a seat cushion. So it comes in a nice bag. I got this for flying. It comes with a nice band on it to hold it together. And if you open it up, it's got a little valve here. You open this up. If you hear, it's actually sucking in air. And this will expand. If you want to make it go a little bit faster, you do that, and then you can lock it. And then you have your cushion. So you can see how thick that is. If I put this down, I'm getting this actually to fly. Pretty good size. And if you look, you know, it basically feels like I'm sitting on a pillow. And the nice thing is you can kind of adjust this with this and make it either, you know, more firm or less firm, whatever you're looking for. Then when you're done, you basically just pull this, fold it in half, roll it up real fast. You could do this on a plane very quickly. Put the band around it, put it back in the bag. There you go.